In some parts of the world, cities are seeing water rise. Flooded roads, abandoned houses, coastlines moving backward. Why is this happening? And do these cities really disappear underwater? One main reason is the rise in sea levels. When the planet warms, ice melts in some regions and ocean water expands. Result, the sea rises by a few millimeters each year. It may seem small, but over decades, it's enough to flood very low-lying coastal areas. The sea is never still. Waves, storms, and currents slowly wear away the coastline. When the ground is fragile, sand, marshes, deltas, the coasts retreat, sometimes by several meters per year. Entire villages then have to be moved farther inland. Sometimes, it isn't the sea that's rising, it's the city that's sinking. When too much groundwater is pumped out for drinking, farming, or building, the ground can slowly collapse. Add the weight of buildings and roads, and some cities end up lower than the nearby sea. Powerful storms push seawater toward the coast. If a city is poorly protected, levees too low, mangroves destroyed, water can rush far inland. In some regions, these floods are happening more often than before. So, why do some cities disappear underwater? Because several factors combine: rising seas, erosion, sinking ground, and storms. Fortunately, solutions exist. Better water management, coastal protection, restoring natural areas, and building in smarter ways. Understanding the causes is already part of the solution. Want more videos like this? Subscribe and suggest the next topic.